There's nothing like it. There's a reason why audiences really grasp that if they love opera, they love it. They want to devour all of the art form.
Mason Gross is taking a huge leap.
Working with Rutgers students is so rewarding.
Mason Gross students have been amazing.
They put their whole self. I appreciate it so much.
My name is Caitlin Hewitts. I'm currently a senior here in my undergrad at Rutgers University. Operas that we're doing this year, one being Alice Tierney and the other we're doing an opera called Escobar. Both of them are by current composers who are working with us very closely.
It's been a really good relationship to have, and it's not that many people get to have that with living composers. I really encourage every singer to try and find that composer they really click with. It's a very symbiotic relationship. You'll learn a lot, they'll learn a lot, and you kind of come together to create these great things.
Working with the composer has been very enjoyable. It's not so much about this is what you're expected to do. There has been a lot of room to just portray the character and the singing in the way that I feel fits.
There's always something alive about a new work. Always brings spontaneity and a lot of electricity to all of the singers, to all of the musicians, our creative team. It becomes something that is ever changing so that we end up creating something new and exciting for our audiences.
My name is Melissa Dunphy, and I am the composer of all of the music in Alice Tierney. A very cliched opera topic, a 19th century sex worker murdered or dies tragically. It's actually an opera about the ways that we discover and tell the stories in history. Like every time there was a funny noise in my house, I would think, oh, that's Alice reminding me that I promised her I would do something about this miscarriage of justice.
I'm inspired by Pablo Escobar as an opera character because, first of all, he's been part of the popular zeitgeist since 2015, at least recently, because of the Narcos series on Netflix. He's a very complex character in that he's one of the most evil figures in human history, but at the same time, he was beloved by many members of the community in Medellin. I appreciate so much that the students and the staff take this so seriously. They are excellent musicians. The voices are incredible, and the coaches are top-notch. And I have full faith that this is going to be an incredible production/workshop.